All right, what's poppin'? So this is a bit of a update video. I haven't really done any other marketing other than posting a couple videos. For the most part, I've just been blasting out emails with my lead gen secret. And someone slid into my DMs on Facebook and they started saying those sales aren't coming from my lead gen secret. They're coming from YouTube, or they're coming from your email list. So I wanted to prove that and verify where these sales are coming from. Don't get me wrong, I'm not getting like a dramatic amount of sales, but I'm getting sales, and I actually earned a $100 bonus from my lead gen secret. And so one of the things that I did is I emailed the admin. I said, hey, so I got this email from somebody else. I got this message from somebody else, and they're saying that I'm lying, and I'm like, I'm not lying. So I needed them to verify. I said, how can I verify the sales actually came from my lead gen? He says, all you got to do is you got to download all the leads, and then basically just do a find. So use the find feature in the CSV file, and I can find the actual lead. So the full name of the person in my downline, and then connect it with the lead file. And so basically that is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna prove that you could plug into this system and you could just email the leads. You don't have to do no selling. You don't have to do no explaining, because if you just send them to the video's going to do all the explaining. You don't have to go out there. You don't have to chase your friends and family. You don't have to, you basically do any real marketing. That's basically in a nutshell. You don't have to do any marketing. I mean, I've never really came across a system like this. Pretty, having the admin show me exactly what I need to do to verify those things. It kind of put things in perspective, like, hey, this is a real deal here. This is legit. And I've got 8 sales so far out of this system entirely from my lead gen secret. I thought maybe I might have got 1 or 2 sales from YouTube, but actually I haven't gotten any sales from YouTube, surprisingly. But hey, that's great. I mean, if I could continue to close cold sales, that means you could close cold sales. All these cold leads. So this means I've never talked to them. They don't know who I am. They don't know my branding. They don't know I've been in this industry for this long. They don't know I got a great track record. But these leads are being given to me, and they're signing up directly through the system. So I'm going to log in, okay? I'm gonna log in. Got 100 leads today. Just did an email this morning. 237 open, 11 click. Good open rate. Terrible click-through rate today. But whatever. So let's verify these leads. Okay. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go get my downline. Okay. Here, let me prove this is my account, okay? Gene Wolf, there you go. See the time and date there, okay? So let's go to downline, show you the commissions that I've gotten. Got a sale a couple days ago, so $150 made so far, a couple weeks. Haven't really done any marketing. Just let me show you how many emails I've actually mailed out. I've gotten 8 sales from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 emails. That's basically a sale per email, almost. More than that. It's like 1.3 sales. So let's go to affiliates. Let's go to downline. 100% all on my front line. There you go. Here's all the names right here. Okay. So let's get the names here. And this sale right here, I'll actually explain how this one works, because this came from the actual email, and so I mean this was my lead gen secret email a lead generated from within the system, but I sent the email out directly to my YouTube video. And so it was, technically speaking, it came from my lead gen secret, but sending it to my YouTube video closed the sale. So it actually worked, right? So that's something, some data that I could take. So, you know, the YouTube video, the proof video, that particular video worked. So that's kind of something I got to take into consideration so I could scale that up, right? Okay, so I got the names here. Let's put it on a notepad here. Fulton. Oops. Okay, and he actually gave me the dates of those leads that they came in. So I got them right here as well. So we'll just to show you. Okay, then I can just download the file. Nah, I'll do it the other way. I'll do it the long way. I'll do it the long way for the sake of this tutorial. Okay. So these are my sales. Okay. Let's go to the leads, my leads. Let's highlight them all. Download my leads. Download it to there. As you can see, it's called my leads. Let's open her up. And let's go to first one, Cindy Monk. So we're gonna search out the last name Monk. Okay. Oops. Find all. Next. Monk. Cindy Monk, right here. There you go. Right there. So this lead came on the 11th. Charles Baker. Let's go to Baker. Oh, yeah, okay. So I gotta go like that. Where are we at here? No. Let's find next. Bakersfield. Michael Baker. Stephanie Baker. Dan Baker. Tim Baker. Donna. Charles Baker. Right there. Confirmed. Confirmed. Fulton. Brian Fulton. Right there. Popped up right away. Brian Fulton. Confirmed. Carson. Nicole Carson. Right there. Popped up right away. Nicole Carson. Confirmed. Barry. Lonnie Barry. Right there. Popped up right away. Lonnie Barry. Catherine Deegan. So, Deegan. And there she is, right there. Dean Pierce. So, just to give you guys an understanding of why this is very important for me, because it validates things for me. Rick Pierce, no. Who are we looking for again? Dean Pierce. There he is, Dean Pierce. Let's see, next, confirmed. Guerrera. Angela Roberta. There she is. Okay, all confirmed. Okay. That's crazy, if you ask me. Yeah, like, okay, so this is what it confirms for me. This is an undeniable proof that this system works. All right, literally anybody could plug into this system. I don't care if you're experienced, if you're terrible at marketing, maybe you have never made a sale in your life. But promoting, okay, so I've promoted my lead gen secret to the leads. Out of 7 emails, I've gotten 8 sales. I've got 4,000 leads right now. Yeah, this for me is huge validation, and what this means is I'm gonna scale this up now. So I'm gonna create a sales funnel, and start running some traffic, main traffic from YouTube. I'll be doing some YouTube rankings now. Now I'm gonna invest in some rankings, some high traffic keywords that I know will generate me leads, and then funnel them through my sales funnel. And then I'll just continue to email directly the email to a sales page now. So I'm gonna create a sales page. I'm gonna have all the proof on there. I'm gonna have my proof video on there, and I'm gonna have all the testimonials on there. Actually, this video is probably on the page right now, and the reason why is because it's confirming the proof right here. This is undeniable. So if you're watching this on the sales page, you need to get with us. You need to click on the button below and just join. I mean, if you got any questions, sure, email me back, or message me on Facebook on my fan page, or add me on Skype, the 7-figure marketer, number 7. And yeah, but for the most part, it's pretty damn simple. I mean, you don't even really need me. You just email them. That's all you got to do, because all my sales came from the system. So end of the day, this is what it comes down to, is just taking action. If you want, I can create you a page like this. So this is if you're watching on YouTube, this video is also on a sales page. I'll create you a video like a sales page like this if you want, to brand you or whatever. I'll put some testimonials on it, put your link on it, embed it. But for the most part, it's pretty damn simple. I didn't even send any of these sales to a custom sales page. I sent it directly to this sales page. Okay, so this sales page converts decently, right? But to go deeper into it, it works. The system works, right? So just sign up, email, boom, make some money. I mean, it doesn't get any easier than that. Now, one of the cool things is that these are cold leads, and if these are cold leads and they're actually, cracking out their credit card or whatever, PayPal, whatever, and buying it, these are really high quality leads. These are tier 1 leads, so you can send these leads to pretty much any offer now. You can send it. It doesn't matter if you're in an MLM, or you're promoting affiliate products from like ClickBank, JVZoo, or Warrior Forum, Warrior Plus, or whatever, something like that. But test it out. I mean, these, I've got, how many leads do I have now? Let me see here. Let's go back, select them all. I've got 4,200 leads right now, right? So I can pretty much email them anything I want, right? You're only limited by your imagination. I wouldn't spam the hell out of them, but you can pretty much email whatever you want. So click on the link if you're on YouTube. Get signed up with my team. If you're on my sales page, click on the button below the video. I should have my information under the video there, my contact information if you need to get a hold of me. Maybe you want me to create you a sales page or something like that, or whatever, right? I mean, I'm only making $5 for the front end sale. If you're going all in, you know, like you're taking all the upgrades and stuff like that. I don't know how many other upsells there are. There isn't very many. It doesn't cost a lot of money, this system. But if you are taking action, you know, just get a hold of me, and I'll be more than happy to help you, right? One of the things I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be running some paid traffic through this now. I'm going to see if this actually converts. Because you get a $100 bonus for every 5 people you sign up, every paid sign up. I can essentially run it through some traffic to an opt-in page and then run it through a sales funnel to see if it actually converts. So if you're watching this video and you're convinced by it, I mean, it works, right? So click on the link, click on the button. All right, peace.